Understanding the visitor's perception filters. The job as a marketer is to communicate the strongest value proposition in a way their customers understands. Each person looks at the world through different eyes. The visitors have a unique frame of reference that are colored by the perceptual filters. It is as if they wear a different glasses that change what they're looking at before it reaches them. In reality, the perceptual filters are in your prospect's mind. What are the influences that distort the perception of the information presented to an individual? Their perception of information you presented them are influenced by their interpretation of the colors on your page, connotation of the words used, their cultural biasness, expectation of what they will see on your page, their current mood and feelings, which may be unrelated to your communication, the current environment, their previous interaction with your companies maybe, experiences with similar products or services, and beliefs about quality, money, and value. These are the mental filters that can dramatically alter how your prospects understand your messages. What impression words comes to your mind when you look at this picture? Different people will interpret the same image and words in entirely different ways. The perceptual filters your prospect carries are outside of your control, and they are important to understand. By acknowledging that they exist, you can only look for insights into how your target audience interprets your messages differently than you do. These filters will determine how your prospects perceive the features and the benefits of your product or service. Keep the filters in mind as you evaluate how to communicate your features within your value proposition.